What is going on, y'all? Man, let me go ahead and give y'all a quick little update on what we getting back to our rifle work pretty soon here at Head Neck, and I just want to show y'all what we're gonna be running with today. Man, look at this baby. We got the Stag Arms 3 gun with a couple of upgrades I done threw on there. Got the Voodoo, EOTech Voodoo 1-8. Got the Cryptek boat. Cloud Defensive Owl, Salsa Coach Chimera on the end, man. What y'all know about that? 7.62 Chimera. It's a 5.56 AR, but one of the bigger cans just so I could, throw it on other stuff. Oh, yeah. Excited to run this, man. What y'all running this season? What y'all AR setups looking like?